Samsung Galaxy Note 20 shocking surprise. So what is up gentlemen, and as we mentioned in our previous video that we will make another video of Galaxy Note 20 when we will get new information about the Galaxy Note 20 family. In this video we're gonna talk about the latest leaks and some shocking news of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20. So without wasting time, let's hop into the video. The shocking news about the Galaxy Note 20 family is that it may not include the Ultra version. Yes, you heard me right, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 series will not consist the Note 20 Ultra version. It will only consist the Galaxy Note 20 and the Note 20 Plus. This information was shared by none other than Leakster Ice Universe. We also reported in our previous video that the Note 20 series is going to be the upgrade version of the S20 series, but it seems like there will not be the Note 20 Ultra model, so no 100x zoom and 108 megapixel sensor, since the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra's camera is showing a lot of problems. People were continuously complaining about the focus issues of the camera in S20 Ultra, which was fixed by the software update, but now it is showing another problem, that is shattering of S20 Ultra's camera glass. What the fuck? Which proves that it is a hardware problem, so Samsung may not release 108 megapixel camera but may surprise with the brand new sensor which could be 150 megapixel like the Xiaomi phone that is going to be launched in this year. Damn! So we are really excited to see what Samsung is going to offer us in Galaxy Note 20 family. We were really thankful to Samsung for the 256 base storage in the S20 Ultra, but it seems like the Galaxy Note 20 series will only have 128 GB as base storage, which is quite disappointing. Talking about processor, as we reported in our previous video, the Galaxy Note 20 will be powered by the Exynos 992 chipset of 6nm chips process, and in some countries, Samsung will release Note 20 with the Snapdragon 865 chipset since the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus is not ready yet due to this pandemic and is going to be launched in the next year. We also expect at least 12 GB of RAM with an upgrade option to go all the way up to 16 GB. As expected, it will have 120Hz Quad HD AMOLED display which will be more smoother than the S20 Ultra. We are clueless about the official design of the Galaxy Note 20. Being said that, we can make an educated guess how they gonna look like. Observing the Note family from past few years, they are sticking with the similar design, so we can expect that there won't be huge change in the design of phone. We will see a core-based display with an stylish S Pen, and it seems like the Note 20 family will come with a quad camera setup at the back and an under-screen camera at the front. Talking about the price, we know that Samsung is increasing price of its phone rapidly, like we can see a $1400 huge price for the S20 Ultra, so we can expect the price of Note 20 family above $1000. I know that you guys are excited to take your hands on to the new game changer Note 20, but from observing the launch date of the Note family from past couple of years shows the possibility to Note 20 being launched in August. Also, due to this pandemic situation, the release date might be postponed, which will not be surprising. So that's all we know about the Note 20 family. If we get another information about the Note 20, we will surely make another video to inform you guys. Till then, stay tuned.